you watch the news, you probably already know a recession is coming. Okay, everybody's been talking about it, everybody's been saying it, whether we actually are in one or there's one coming, it's pretty much guaranteed, especially after the midterm elections here in the United States. If you're not in the United States, we are having elections for Congress in about a week and a half now. We expect there to be a recession. And that means more people are going to be laid off. Things are going to get a little more tough. There are people who are talking about dire stuff going on. I don't know if it's going to be dire, but things are going to be more tough. That's why I'm really, really excited about this new course from Barb and Dennis. It's all about the skills that you can master in order to be able to beat the recession. And of course, I have an insane bonus that I'm going to hand to you, all the tools you're going to need in order to be able to not only beat the recession, but actually laugh at it and make money and even sell other people what they need. It's all coming up in my review of Recession Proof Your Skills. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me, baby, Neil over here. Now, by the way, look, I can do that trick too. See? Whoops, no, 1 second. I'll get it. 1 second. Here we go. There we go. See? I can do the trick too. But, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products, to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my as well? It's very, very simple to make sure that you don't know about much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Seriously. Okay? Nobody wants the crap. Newman, you don't want crap. We don't want crap. Nobody wants crap. Stop talking about crap. But seriously, if you are new to easy work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better next time. I also do a live video here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, actually just an entrepreneur. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for Recession Proofing Your Skills. This is from my friends Barb and Dennis. This is a brand new course where they're basically going to be teaching you everything you need to know in order to be able to make money, even during recession. Basically, they're going to be showing you how they're able to build their skills and make money on places like Fiverr and Upwork and places like that. Now, I'm not going to go over those things. These are websites, basically gig websites, where you can make money by offering very simple services. And there's a lot of services that you can offer on these websites. But I want to make this a really no-brainer for you because they're going to give you all the information that you need. One of my cats is here walking in front of the camera, so in case you see his tail, you'll know what's going on. And he's blocking my view of my screen. So I have to go and try to reach around in order to see what's going on here. Here we go. Okay. Anyway, but seriously, so let me tell you what's in my bonus before we take a look at the members area, because I do have probably the best bonus you're ever going to see. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you 90 plus premium WordPress themes and plugins. Now, these are premium themes and plugins that other people paid thousands of dollars for. You get them for free, but you don't just get them free. You can also sell these. You can give them away. You can use them as your own bonus. Only thing you can't do is change the copyright notice on them. But other than that, it's perfectly legal. You are completely within your rights to do this. Okay, you're going to get them completely for free when you pick this up. And by the way, I'm going to show you the price. Just like you're going to go crazy when you see the price of this thing. I'm also going to show you a secret website that you can actually find stuff to buy at huge discounts and then resell it for profit on places like eBay, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace. I've done this myself. I've actually made money on the side. Honestly, it's a simple way to do things to make money from literally doing nothing except buying and selling for cheap. Okay, like I bought like custom-made coffee mugs for like $1 or $2, and then I can sell it for like $20. and it's very easy to do this. And there's constantly new stuff coming in all the time. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. I'm also going to show you how to make money from graphics, even if you know nothing about graphics. Now, here's the really cool thing, by the way. So this is part of a big package I'm giving you. I'm going to give you a package showing you how to make money from graphics, even if you know nothing about graphics. I'm also going to now allow you to give this thing away as your own, so you can sell it. Well, you can't sell it, but you can give it away as a bonus, or you can use it as a lead magnet. I'm not allowing you to sell it, but you can use this as a lead magnet or as a bonus for another product you're selling. So, for example, if you're selling a service on Fiverr and you want to say, hey, you know what? I'm going to give you a value add by showing you this information on how to edit graphics on your own. You know, you can sell some graphic stuff and then offer this as a value add. You can offer this for free as a value add when you sell these things. I'm going to show you how to buy and sell SEO services. Again, you're going to have the option to give this away as a value add for free. You can give it away as a lead magnet to get more people on your list, or you can go ahead and give it away as a bonus for whatever product you want to sell. Plus, I'm going to show you how to make voiceovers completely for free. And again, you can go ahead and do that as well as a value add. Now, in addition to that, I'm also, if you pick up any upgrade valued at least 20 bucks or more, I'm going to show you how to do writing. Plus, I'm also going to show you how to do video editing. Again, you will be able to give these away as a value add for free when you pick up any upgrade valued $20 more. In addition to the fact that you're going to learn how to do it, you're going to be able to give this away as your own lead magnet or your own bonus. Now, on top of all of that stuff, I'm also going to show you how to make video sales letters. This is something I've made a ton of money on. I made thousands of dollars making video sales letters. It takes me about half an hour to make one, and I sell them for like 200 bucks a pop. Okay, $200 for a half hour of work, pretty good money. And I've done a lot of these, and they're easy to make. They're a lot easier than you might think they are to make. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And again, you have this as a value add to pick up any upgrade worth $20 or more. Plus, pick up any upgrade worth $50 or more. I'm also going to give you 15,000 articles that you can go ahead and sell, use as a bonus or giveaway. Plus, I'm going to give you 100 ebooks and 40 done-for-you ebook covers that you can sell, give away, or use as a bonus. I'm also going to give you a whole bunch of mock-ups with that $50 upgrade. Plus, I'm going to give you logos that you can give away or sell, or of course, customers for your customers. And when you pick up that $50 or more upgrade, I'm also going to give you my SEO explosion software. And again, you'll be able to give this away as your own. Plus, I'm going to give you 1,000 music tracks and sound effects that you're going to be able to give away as your own when you pick up a $50 upgrade. So that's a lot of bonuses, I know. Let me go ahead and show you the members area now. I want to get through that entire list of bonuses because I added a ton of bonuses to this thing. Let's see the members area. You can see here, this is exactly what you're going to need to know in order to do this thing. It's a PDF, so you can go through it in about an hour. You don't have to read it word for word. You can skim through this in order to see exactly what you need to know in order to be able to make this thing work for you. And again, all of my stuff is going to be video courses, so you're going to have video courses that you can follow along. It's over my shoulder video courses. You can be able to see that in order to be able to do this. And this, I think, is so important when a recession is coming. We know it's coming. We know things are going to get tough. Grab this. You're going to love this. Okay, let's see if I am formally giving a test map to or not. Yeah.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Seriously, you're the man or the woman, as it were, Barb and well, Dennis. Anyway, but seriously, this thing is awesome. Okay, I firmly believe that this is going to help you to build yourself up so you can actually go ahead and make money even when a recession comes. You're going to be okay. You're going to be able to survive and thrive, especially when you pick it up with my bonus. Grab this. You're going to love this.